Oscar-nominated actress Ruth Negga and Grammy-winning folk musician Rhiannon Giddens have both been awarded honorary doctorates by the University of Limerick. Negga, a native of Limerick, shot to fame in the series Love Hate, while US-born Giddens has been living in the Treaty City for the past 4 years.
A new role for actress Ruth Negga, Doctor of Letters, one of the highest distinctions a university can bestow. She was conferred with the honorary degree at a ceremony in her hometown this afternoon.
The focus may not be academic with artists, but it certainly is. There's an intelligence that exists outside the cerebral.
Will everybody call you Dr. Ruth from now on?
I'll make them. I'll insist upon it.
UL also bestowed an honorary doctorate on Grammy award-winning artist Rhiannon Giddens. The folk musician has been an artist in residence at the Irish World Academy of Music and Dance at UL since 2022. Living in Limerick, she regularly performs in the US and played banjo on Beyoncé's recent country music hit, Texas Hold'em.
What I do with American music and the stories that I tell, I feel like there's a lot of echo and there's a lot of rhythm and there's a lot of rhyme with the story of Ireland, and so it feels really incredible to make those connections with students who come here to learn the Irish story, and I think there's a lot of similarities.
What it does bring is that cultural expression, that sense of creativity, which is so important in a university as well, and these two honorary doctorates there exemplify that in full.
Inspiring the next generation that their talent could also earn them a place on the world stage. Petula Martin, RTE News, Limerick.